Sometimes when a product comes along, you unbox it, you feel it in your hands, and you just know that it's gonna be good. The build quality, the finish, the styling all blends together and makes you feel really good.
I'm far from perfect, but I know what my worth is, more than you're giving. What goes up, comes back down. What goes out, comes around. You're so dumb like this. You already like this. What goes up, comes back down. And your day will come around. I don't wanna fix this. You already like this. Forget.
So today we're taking a look at just those earbuds from Ugreen and to see if these earbuds are any good. Welcome to a review of the Ugreen Hitune X5. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Ugreen Hitune X5. So I personally purchased the Hitune X5 for review, and from my first impression with these earbuds, they are honestly something else. And these earbuds retails for about 200 Malaysia ringgit, and that's about 50 US, and it's honestly a very well spec and well priced earbuds, and I'm excited to share with you how they perform. So if you're interested in buying these earbuds, do check out my links in the description below. So the design of the X5 is really great and is exactly what I look for in a properly built earbuds case, and I think scratchy plastics should not be a thing anymore, and nice glossy finishes like these with a very dark gradient look is the way to go. And these are better at resisting scratches, although they do get smudged up pretty easily. The case here is very simple, with not a lot of wordings or brandings going on to mess up the look of the case. And at the top of the case you get a Ugreen branding there, and in my opinion they are a little too big, the fonts, and the color could blend a little bit better with the color of the case. So it's the only part that I really don't like about the case. And at the back of the case, there is a button for you to check the battery percentage of the case, and there's also a Type-C charging port at the bottom of the case for you to top up your earbuds. And there's also 3 LED indicators at the front to tell you how much battery you have left inside the case. So Ugreen also puts in a very nice hinge for the X5, and it opens up nice and smoothly, and the hinge just snaps into place at the top of the stroke, holding it really nicely in place for you to access your earbuds. And you can see that the hinge here, even if you push it down, it snaps back into place really satisfyingly. And the design of the earbuds for the X5 is also superb, and I personally love it a lot with its design, the color choices, the deep gradient blue, that matrix pattern in the front of the touch sensor surface just adds on to the nice classy touch of the earbuds. And the earbuds are also really quite basic in my opinion, with not a lot of technology to complicate its features. All it is an in-ear style earbuds that works really well and fits really well. The shape of the earbuds that we have here is okay, however it's not exactly the shape of the AirPods Pro, which I find personally is the most comfortable style. I immediately noticed that it doesn't quite sit flushed in snugly inside my ears, but overall it's still very comfortable. So there's also no in-ear sensors with these earbuds. So in terms of battery life, the X5 comes with a decently powerful battery, and this gives you a full day's worth of battery to get you through. So a single charge will give you about 7 hours of continuous playback time, and the case gives you additional 21 hours and brings the total up to 28 hours. There's no fast charging feature on these earbuds, and charging the earbuds takes about 1.5 hours and 2 hours with the case. So the most exciting part of these earbuds, just like many earbuds in this range, the X5 comes with Qualcomm's QCC3040 chipset with Bluetooth 5.2 that supports aptX, AAC and SBC audio codec. Pretty typical earbuds around this price range, and the best example here is the Soundpeats Sonic. So the earbuds also comes with an IPX5 water resistant rating and gives you pretty good protection for everyday elements such as your sweat, water splashes and even light rain. So you can definitely keep using this when it starts to trickle. The earbuds also come supported with super seamless mono and stereo mode, meaning you can either use any side anytime, and it gives you exceptional convenience without the connection breaking. Lastly, there is no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds. So the soundstage of the X5 is something to like and has quite a nice balanced sound signature to get you through most of your music genre. Starting with the bass, I would say they are sufficiently powerful, not rumbling powerful. I feel that it could be a little bit more present with the sub bass, but that will kind of bring those earbuds back into the V-shaped tuning, which from my listening, these earbuds are not really that type. So with that note, these earbuds have quite a forward, powerful sounding mids with very forward and focused vocals. Female vocals on this sounds bright but can sound a bit metallic at times. Male vocals sound full-bodied and very satisfying. With the highs, totally nothing to complain about because they still sound nice and bright even with pop genres. Switching to some classic rock genre, they don't disappoint with the brightness of cymbals and hi-hats. Everything just sounds harmonically harmonious. But one thing to note is that these earbuds are tuned a bit towards the colder, brighter end. Yes, bass is still present, but if I can pinpoint one dominating frequency in these earbuds, and that would be the highs. So this is a test to see if the Ugreen Hitune X5 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from this earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. And in terms of the latency, these earbuds are really nice with that 70 milliseconds gaming mode. Gaming does feel properly smooth. Of course, with the slowdown speed, you're gonna detect some lag, but honestly, in real-time mode, you're not going to feel that much latency at all. Needless to say, videos and movies perform flawlessly with these earbuds. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So controls on the X5 is nice and complete with everything you need available at your fingertips. So to play or pause media, pick a phone call, tap once on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media, very responsive. And to increase the volume, tap twice on the right earbuds and tap twice on the left earbuds to lower the volume. To skip tracks forward, tap 3 times on the right earbuds, and to skip backwards, tap 3 times on the left earbuds. To switch between gaming mode and normal mode, tap 4 times on the left earbuds, so 4 times, and you will hear it going into gaming mode. And finally, press and hold on either side of the earbuds and it will pause your media and pull out your assistant. So that's basically all of the controls you get with the Hitune X5. So overall, these are pretty awesome earbuds by Ugreen, especially with that build quality, the design and the sound signature. I totally like what they have done here, so if you're looking for earbuds with an all-round performance, have the latest specs and looks good, definitely check out the new Hitune X5. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash the thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.